Big breaking story coming in. ED and CBI raids are being conducted across West Bengal, mostly at houses and offices of businessmen in the coal smuggling scam. This is the same case in which Abhishek Banerjee's wife Rujira Banerjee and her sister Menika Gambhir have been questioned by the CBI. The central forces at the moment are accompanying the CBI and ED teams. That's the big story coming in right ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections. The raids over coal scam breaking out at the moment. CBI and the Enforcement Directorate both are conducting raids across West Bengal, mostly at the houses and offices of businessmen in the coal smuggling case. And it is the same case, if you remember, where Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Abhishek Banerjee, the TMC MP, his wife Rujira Banerjee and her sister Menika have been questioned by the CBI. Central forces at the moment accompanying CBI and ED. If you've got Indrajit with us, let's go straight across to Indrajit, who's going to be joining us in just a bit. All right, Indrajit joins us on this broadcast for more on this. Indrajit, you know, time and again, TMC has questioned the timing of this particular move, and now with the ED and CBI going ahead and conducting multiple raids, who all come under the scanner?
Well, there are 16 teams of the Enforcement Directorate who have come out of the CGO complex this morning, and they are conducting raids at various locations in West Bengal, specifically in Durgapur, in Burdwan district, because remember, this entire coal smuggling scam emanates out of the Eastern Coalfields Limited in Asansol area. And the allegation is that with the help of a few senior officials of the ECL, coal from ECL's properties, coal from ECL's coal mines were being illegally smuggled out into the private. And that is the allegation that is being probed by the central agencies along with the CBI as well as the ED. So we are learning that 16 teams of the Enforcement Directorate are out across various locations in West Bengal, in parts of Kolkata. We are also given to understand that the CBI team is also raiding one of the businessmen in South Kolkata. And this comes just on the heels of the CBI questioning Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Rujira Narula, in connection to the coal scam case, because the CBI sources were telling us that they were trying to probe the bank accounts of Rujira Narula, specifically in the bank accounts abroad held in Bangkok, and the Financial Intelligence Unit has also been asked to probe the matter by the CBI.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.